Jack lost his job in just 3 months. Not because he failed, not because he wasn't skilled, but because AI was faster, smarter, and cheaper. This is the fear everyone is talking about. The fear that machines will take over. But the truth? It's not that simple. AI is changing the game, but it's not just about taking jobs. Companies use AI for one reason: efficiency. More work, less time, lower cost. For businesses, this means higher profits, faster growth, and more output. So yes, some jobs disappear, especially repetitive tasks, and those that follow strict rules. Jack struggled, applied everywhere, faced rejection after rejection. He felt lost, unsure of what to do next. Then he made one decision that changed everything. He stopped fearing AI and started learning how to use it. He experimented with tools, practiced, made mistakes, and kept going. Slowly, his skills grew and his confidence returned. Now he works with AI, not against it. And that made him more valuable than ever before. Because new opportunities are being created, jobs that didn't exist 5 years ago. AI is not job destruction, it's job transformation. The real question is not AI. The real question is you. Will you adapt or be left behind? The future is already here, and it's powered by AI. Follow to understand how to survive, grow, and thrive in this AI-driven world.